Big Mouse Games back with another video. Today we are at Burro Wash in Las Vegas, well, Boulder City, really. We're gonna hit up this epic trail. It's supposed to take 2 hours, going 2 hours, coming back. It's like 20-something miles. Let's go ahead and get into it. One good time, thank you. One little pit stop, so we see the sign right here. It says explore to the max. So, Boulder City, get what I'm saying? I'm guessing, so you're supposed to be able to see some turtles and stuff like that. So it says dudes, stay on marked roads, keep dogs on the leash. Don'ts, do not release desert animals, tortoises and things like that. Do not shoot, dump, anything like that. But let's go ahead and read it though. That's it. So we're about an hour, 2 hours in, 2 hours, 30 minutes in, things like that. So first part of the trail really ain't no trail. It's like just a lot of gravel. So we did find a shortcut though. In between the first and second part, there's an actual road. Okay, if you can find that road, you can find the fun faster. So, as you see, by the little drone shots and everything like that, there was, you know, some nice, semi off-road action. You know, hit a couple boulders. You know, we can't wet the air down. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, but you know, the Rubicon, the 2020 Rubicon 2-liter turbo is handling the, you know, it's handling the mission. You get what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm gonna do a lot less talking because my wisdom tooth hurt. But, you know, matter of fact, I'll just down with them tight. Got the caves and everything. Hills have eyes. You get what I'm saying? Got the little miner thing right there. Yeah, man, it's pretty cool and everything like that. Hopefully we almost done. Again, like, it would have been cool if we knew what the second part was faster. You know what I'm saying? Hey, they got some cactuses out here. The cactus got a cactus, okay? Talking about epic stingers. But oh yeah, see, we have one little baby asleep right now. Looking bad as hell, cause he is. So, I know y'all probably dizzy from all this wobbling. Got the motorhome, they probably shooting. I'm gonna bring out the gimbal for some nice action shots. And so, yeah. Are we enjoying the trail? Yes, we are. Is it a long ass trail? Yes, it is. Yeah, so there's a couple, you know, nice little divots and, you know, stuff like that, like little rocky turns, which is really nice. But for the most part, this trail right here is just a whole lot of gravel. you know, semi-bumpy. No, it's bumpy as hell, but it's like the little small bumps where if you go like 10 miles an hour, basically, you know, you all bruised up on the side. But yeah, we have here's nature at its finest. Yep. So, and you know, 2020 Jeep Rubicon, whole liter. I mean, no, my bad. 2-liter engine, turbo. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, man. This is it. I was looking to find a lake, didn't find that. It's around what? What time is it? 3:16. You get what I'm saying? We don't have the light bars and nothing like that yet. The fuck was that? Oh no. All right, so something sounded like a little bomb explosion. Keep the camera rolling. But yeah. Something came from back there though. You know what I'm talking about? Got the thing in the car just in case. Some people was shooting and stuff. And yeah. Had to stop the car. Go get my thing, you know, put it with me. Cause brother ain't feel safe. But I feel safe now, cause I got that. Oh wait, baby. Anyway, so but yeah, man, this is it. I know I look tired, cause I am. Can't even close my mouth, cause my goddamn wisdom teeth is hurting. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna get that sugar tucker now, but man, hey, Jeep looking dirty. Jeep looking dirty, you know. But yeah, I ain't got nothing to talk about, man. So, dogs and pissed. It's time to go home. Get something to eat. Plant-based lifestyle. Damn right. BigMuscleGains.com. Damn right.